we're gonna get kicked out of Walmart today because I'm gonna make a funny video. Get out of the front seat. Get out. What's up, gang? Somebody put chocolate in my tank. So my car sounds like I look like a potato. We're gonna go to Walmart. Is it open? Walmart. She over there running with the doggy. Ugly. You're a clown. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the electronic department and I'm gonna put my phone on the thing and we're gonna play a song because it's New Year. But we have to get all of our stuff where we do that, so if they kick us out, we can just leave, you know what I mean? See, I'm the smart one. Woo woo. Those drumsticks are looking kind of fire, like, not gonna lie. Would I actually get them? No. Hi guys. That was recording. We're gonna start getting these big bags. Poor people cereal. That's not poor, that's Captain Crunch. Okay, but we gotta get like another like Doritos, like nacho. Doritos have roaches in them, I heard. Layla, not everything you hear is true. What I say. Hey mom. Hi Madre. What's up?
What y'all doing tonight?
We're at Walmart getting some snacks. We're gonna watch Avengers and bring in the New Year when he snaps his finger.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So y'all aren't going out partying?
No, I'm a child of God.
You're what?
I said I'm a child of God. I don't do those type of things.
Oh, we're a child of God this week, okay? Gotcha.
This week, yes ma'am. I just want to say thank you to everyone. Let's make a toast with some Tito's. Tostitos.
Am I interrupting your video shoot?
No, you're a part of it now.
Oh, good thing I'm not saying anything illegal right now.
It's okay.
You're getting enough attention on Instagram and Snapchat.
Mom, you have to branch out.
You got chips.
Cardi B has chips, y'all. Y'all, I can't wait till payday. It's time for us to get some money. That I sing, y'all. Next, full course meal. Liliana. That's such a good name. That was such a good name, Mom. Why didn't you do something like that for me? Or me. You didn't give us the best names, Mom.
Leimani is a bad name. And Manimal,
well, it was a step up from Sativa.
Yeah, you can blame your dad for that.
Mom, you gave me like 5 different names. I think
What do you think I was thinking of when I did it? Y'all got multiple choices to go for names. You guys can live alias to alias.
This look delicious. Yum. Are your driving skills good? You might have to reverse. What you mean? So you don't have to reverse it. What you mean? Oh, this is sweet. I want this for my room. Birthday? Maddie, you want birthday? Stop bouncing the ball. I forgot about it. He didn't have a ball. He doesn't have it. We gotta scope out the store. It's over. I can hear it. I heard it. Yeah. It's not lit. Yeah, it's not lit though. It's not funny. It was not that funny. Walk away, everybody walk away. Cause nobody trying to be affiliated. I'm not even trying to be affiliated. Y'all are scary. As soon as I did it, they all ran away because they were scary, but they were a part of the plan. Isn't that something? Go, go, go. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving. No, no. Journey, why'd you poop on the floor, bro? Oh. Let's go. It's time to go. We gotta get out of here.
Can I be part of your vlog? Hi!
I'm already feeling famous. So that's the end of our New Year's YouTube vlog.